I wanted to ask you about the interlock system. Explain to folks at home what that is, who qualifies for that, does it seem to work?
Okay. The ignition interlock is a system that it tests the blood alcohol content in a person's body. And typically it's given to people who have had DUIs in the past. In the state of Alabama, it's now mandatory if you have a 0.15 or above blood alcohol level. However, the judge does have discretion if an individual has 0.11 to 0.15. Also, the ignition interlock can be an option that a person can choose if they have a first-time DUI and they want to avoid the mandatory 90-day suspension that comes along with it. So just to kind of give you an overview again, those are the situations in which someone could use the ignition interlock system, and it kind of benefits them in a way that if they're serious about not drinking and driving, then they'll be able to continue on with their life and have to avoid the suspensions and things like that.
Okay, so let's talk about that suspension versus interlock, because is that new?
Yeah, this is actually something that's fairly new within the last couple of years.
Okay.
It's been making its way more into the court system, particularly as a way to give people options about how to handle DUIs, particularly first-time DUIs.
Yeah, well, I mean, if you lose your license for 90 days and you work, that can cause some trouble.
Yeah.
Absolutely. A first-time DUI can be detrimental to a lot of people, not just people who actually work in fields where they're required to drive, but also just thinking about
kids,
kids and
stuff,
everything
life.
that entails, and the lack of transportation options and all of those things.
Mm-hmm. Well, we're